In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add the search bar in Outlook at top of emails. By the end, you'll have the search tool pinned right on your Outlook ribbon, so it's always within reach above your messages. First, open Outlook on your Windows computer. We're working in the classic Outlook app, such as Outlook 2021 or Microsoft 365 in classic mode. If you don't see the file menu in the top left corner, you might be in the new Outlook or using the web version. I'll cover that in a moment. For the classic app, click File, then select Options at the bottom of the menu. This opens the Outlook Options window where you can customize the layout and tools. In the Outlook Options window, look to the left and choose Customize Ribbon. This is where you tell Outlook which commands should appear on the ribbon at the top of your screen. On the left side, here is a drop-down labeled Choose Commands From. Change that to All Tabs or Tools tabs in some versions. To reveal more categories, scroll until you find Search under the Search Tools group. That's the command we want to bring forward. Now, on the right side of the window, you'll see your ribbon structure. Highlight the Home tab or whichever tab or group you want the search command to live in so it's readily available above your inbox, with the correct location highlighted. Click the Add double arrow button between the two lists. You should see Search move to the right panel under the tab you chose. Confirming it's now part of your ribbon, click OK to save your changes. Outlook will refresh, and you should see the search tool prominently on the ribbon above your emails, giving you quick access without having to hunt for it. A quick note on versions: this process applies to classic Outlook for Windows. If you are using the new Outlook, the toggle can affect where search appears. Make sure the new experience is turned off, which you can check via View. Then View Settings. If search isn't visible after adding it, try restarting Outlook. You can also right-click the ribbon and choose to customize it again to confirm that the command was added to the correct tab and group. If you are on Outlook on the web or the Outlook mobile app, you don't need to do anything here. The search bar is fixed at the top by default in those versions and can't be customized in the same way. That's it. Thanks for watching.